Hello, Jennifer Tochi here. Happy /back Saturday. And I have just realized that this shirt makes me look like a giant yellow orange pimple. Okay, let's go over here a little. Now I look like an orange pimple. Okay. Happy /back Saturday, everybody out there. And I'm going to do a review for /back Saturday. And for the horror man and everybody else. Well, I had trouble with this one, which I probably say every week, but I had to find a slasher movie with point of view of the killer, or S.O.V. Yes, and I found one. I was thinking of doing Silence of the Lambs, but I like to do movies that aren't, they're more obscure and not well known. So I decided to do another movie because I sat down after trying to make my decision. I thought, damn, I'm gonna watch my feel-good slasher movie, which makes me happy when I watch it because it's funny, but it's a slasher movie, and that is Microwave Massacre. And I realized this was a copy after I got it, and there's nothing about the movie except the worst horror movie ever made, and this was on the DVD. The DVD, yes. Anyway, yes, it's around Donald and May. Those are the main characters, played by Jackie Vernon as Donald, and his wife, May, played by Claire Ginsburg. And I was watching it and getting happy again. And I thought, I just saw a point of view of the killer. I said, I can use it. Okay. Even though he is imagining killing May. You see his point of view. So I found it. Maybe, but to each his own, I guess. But it was made in 1983, directed by Wayne Berwick. Yes. Public servant's announcement. Do not put your hand in a sink full of dishes. Check to see if there's steak knives in it first, or you'll end up with a lot of stitches. That's why my hand's gonna be here today. It is resting. Okay, and I just think this movie is hilarious. I love all the 70s junk around the house. That ugly wallpaper. And one night, Donald comes home after going to a bar, complaining to the bartender. And his wife has just cooked some French blue cheese thing, and I guess it tastes horrible. And you see, from his point of view, him with a machete killing her. Well, he's imagining it, but it's from his point of view. Anyway, another night, he comes home and says to his wife, fix me a bologna and cheese sandwich. And she says no, and he's very drunk. And you don't see what happens, but she said, I am just going to start cooking for myself. Next day, he wakes up and he says, May, where's my breakfast? Where's my lunch? And he goes over to the microwave and says, maybe there's something good in here. And he opens it, and May's in there, cooking. Well, not cooking yet. Sorry. I tried to time this well, but it did not go well. Okay. I will ignore that. And he finds May in the microwave. Okay. He finds May in the microwave, and he presses slow cook and goes off to his construction job. And when he's gone, May is cooked. He cuts off her head and starts slashing all her limbs off and starts putting her in the microwave. I mean, not in the microwave, in the freezer. And accidentally one day he starts eating her hand. And he finds it good. So he starts bringing pieces of May to work. And his co-workers, his best friend co-workers, Philip and Sam, start wanting a bite of it. And they like it too. Except Philip said, this is kind of tastes old and dry. And Donald says, well, I'm looking to make new recipes. And he ends up killing 4 other girls and starts cooking them in cool ways, I guess. But pretty soon, he has a pacemaker. You see him having one heart attack. And you find out that when they installed the microwave, they had flipped the wires. So it was bad with anybody with a pacemaker. So I guess you can guess the end. Because Philip and Sam come to pick him up for a party because he says May has left him. And they find him. And all of a sudden the microwave presses done. And it turns on. And they see a whole bunch of legs and hands in there. And promptly does the movie end? You never know. Unless you see it. Well, sorry about the Christmas music again. I tried to time these videos around it, but sometimes it pops up. Thank you, Joe, for making this Slashback Saturday challenge. It has brought me out of my shell. And I guess I don't want to go back into my shell. And you will see me tomorrow doing Need Gore. Ooh, my mom's calling. So I will go now. Goodbye.